In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the value stack feature in Kartra. A quick heads up before we begin. Kartra doesn't have a tool literally called Value Stack. In practice, a value stack is just a clear visual summary of everything included in your offer, features, bonuses, and outcomes laid out so visitors instantly understand what they're getting. We'll build that using Kartra's Page Builder. Start by heading to your Kartra dashboard and opening the Pages area from the left-hand menu. This is where all your site and funnel pages live. Next, go to All Pages, then open the page where you want to display your value stack. If you prefer, you can create a new page first and then follow along. Inside the page editor, look for the option to Add Section. Sections are the building blocks that let you add structured content to your page without starting from scratch. After clicking Add Section, choose Basic Elements. From there, open the Content Sections library. This is where you'll find pre-designed layouts that are perfect for presenting a value stack. Browse the available content sections and select one that suits your offer. Multi-column layouts work great because you can dedicate each column to a key component or bonus. Feature rows, icon lists, or simple text and image blocks also work well. Once you insert the section, customize the headlines to highlight what's included, write short, benefit-focused descriptions, and add visuals or icons to improve scannability. If your offer includes pricing or bonuses, place the total value and the actual price near each other to reinforce the perceived value. Keep your copy concise and consistent. Lead with outcomes, not features. Use clear labels like what you get and bonus. Maintain spacing so everything feels balanced, and preview on mobile to ensure readability on smaller screens. Finally, remember to save your changes. With these steps, you've effectively created a value stack in Kartra using content sections, giving your audience a clear, compelling snapshot of your offer.